Airspan, we've kicked off the year with some really significant successes that we want to talk about. The first happened actually very early in the new year, where we received a really important award from NTIA, $40 million award to enable us to accelerate the development of our Open RAN radio portfolio. And that's really important to us. Airspan is a key Open RAN vendor globally. We're based in the US. We have a strong development team in the US, and this gives us the opportunity to really accelerate and amplify that development. The second thing that happened was we were able to bring on some really key talent. And one of the acquisitions that we made was of the Jabil wireless radio team. We brought on the Jabil team, which is a team of world-class radio developers. We also brought on the Jabil portfolio of radios, as well as the IPR that's related to the portfolio of radios. And this really accelerates our ability to develop radios at scale and deploy them globally. And the third thing that happened was, most recently, our acquisition of the Corning wireless business. And this Corning wireless business is a very large North American focused business that provides both small cells and distributed antenna systems for in-building coverage. And they deploy those in-building systems across both large mobile operators as well as across large global enterprise customers. And the combination now of a very substantial macro radio portfolio that we brought into the company from Jabil, the in-building portfolio that we brought in from Corning, in combination with the NTIA award win, gives us a really good momentum heading into 2025 and beyond. Well, it's impossible to miss the key trend of AI. AI is permeating the entire conference. And AI is all about driving efficiency and driving automation in workloads for mobile operators, as well as for enterprises that we will cater to through private networks going forward. And AI is going to be one of those, it's going to be one of those transitions that is almost like the internet or like the cloud. It will take a while for it to permeate everything that we do, but it will eventually permeate everything that we do. And so all of the customers that we're talking about are interested in how they can introduce AI to automate their workload, to improve the performance of the radio infrastructure, to improve the performance of their businesses. And we see that as having a pretty profound impact, but not necessarily in the short term, but certainly in the long term. I'm really excited about the future of Open RAN, to be honest. I think that that it's taken a while for the seeds of Open RAN to be planted, but I really do think that Open RAN is on the cusp of a significant growth wave. We're seeing the capabilities and the platforms have now been developed, and we can take advantage of those capabilities, the ecosystem and the platform going forward. And we're also able to leverage it now across a pretty broad footprint of opportunities, from the in-building opportunity with the Corning acquisition to the macro radio opportunity from the Jabil acquisition. And as well, we just see more reception of the Open RAN capability globally. And I think that that drives a significant growth opportunity for us going forward.